Requested by Alex Rodriguez, a 3-hour update. So here's what 3 hours of, well, you know what I said in part 1. Here's 3 hours later of what that looks like. So, who want to talk about some African cooking and tell me, well, what am I doing here? Who want to talk about it? Who want to talk about some African cooking and what I'm doing right here with this 3 hours in? Who want to talk about it? Who want to talk 3 hours in? Well, how to bag yourself a nigga named Idris Elba. You want to talk? How you bag yourself a nigga named Idris Elba? You want to talk about it? Talk about it. How you bag a motherfucker like that? That's what I'm saying. Still. Reach.